Sendable SMM Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get social media management tools wrong. They think scheduling posts is enough. The surprising truth about Sendable is how it centralizes planning, analytics, and engagement, and you won't believe how much time it can save for marketing teams. Here's how it works. Sendable lets businesses schedule posts across multiple platforms, track engagement, and analyze performance from one dashboard. It also suggests optimal posting times and content recommendations based on analytics. For example, a small marketing agency can manage Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn campaigns from one interface, track engagement, and generate reports for clients. Most people get this wrong. They assume scheduling alone drives results, but Sendable's analytics and listening tools inform strategy. Additional features include social listening to monitor brand mentions, team collaboration tools, and integration with Canva for content creation. Businesses can also set approval workflows for multi-user teams. However, there are considerations. Some advanced analytics and integrations are premium features, and learning all tools may take time. Most people assume automation replaces strategy. It doesn't, but it significantly reduces manual work. In conclusion, Sendable is ideal for businesses and agencies seeking a comprehensive social media management platform. It streamlines scheduling, improves reporting, and helps drive better engagement. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of marketing and SMM tools.